So up to we'll discuss internal JavaScript, right? So how to write the external JS code now? How to write the external JS code now? Same thing. We need to create one JS file, new file, where we have to create that file now. Wherever you want to in that folder, you can create that file. For example, what is the file name now? Whatever the file name you want, you can define the extension only mandatory thing. So simply I'm going to define as a file name, for example, mm, so task will be file name dot JS will be extension. So this is the JavaScript file. Whenever we are creating the HTML file, not dot HTML will be extension. Whenever we are creating CSS file, not dot CSS will be extension. So right, external CSS, same like external JS we are going to use. So for example, my requirement is within the external JS. So I'm going to create one object now. I'm going to create one object. So first of all, we have to know what is the object. So what is the object now? So object also by using single variable to we can store multiple of data as a key name key value. Key name and then key values to we can store the object data and all. So simply understand by using single variable to we can store multiple of data, the object and array. So what is the difference will be there now? Object means we have to define as a key name key value. Array means no need to declare that key name and all. Directly we can assign that key value. I mean data. So here and all by using key names too we can declare that key data. So array data and all we can declare within the square bracket, right? So the object data where we have to declare that object data now within the flower bases only we can declare that object data. Clear? So now I want to create one object here. So how to create that object now? So for example, let obj is a variable name. Whatever the variable name we want, we can create it here we show only. Obj is a variable name, flower basis. So within that obj, I want to store some data. Like for example, whenever we are creating the object now, key name key value is mandatory. So what is a key name now? The key names and all we can declare without the code. So name is a key name. Name and all it comes as a alphabetics. Alphabetics means it comes as a string data. So now string means within the codes. And then city. The city also it comes as a alphabetics. In that case, within the codes only we can declare the data. Band. And then state. The state also alphabetics only we can declare within the data. Karnataka. And then country is there. The country also alphabetics. India is there. And then one more age I'm going to declare here. So the age and all number in that case we have to define as a without the codes 27. Save that one. So now name Murthy, city Bangalore, state Karnataka, country India, age 27 will be there. So we have an object within the object some key name key values will be there. So now in between we don't have comma now we are getting error. Why now? Because once the key name key value will be completed now we have to define the comma here. That is the main thing. Clear? Just a minute. So now we have to print the object. Now the print statement will be there. So by using console.log and then document.write two functions, two print statement will be there. So by using console.log of two, I'm going to print this one. Which one now? Like object we have to print. Obj is a variable. So this one.
The
Now we
screen is
have to
not
run the.
visible.
Okay, just wait.
Screen
I
is
will
not
check it.
visible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just wait. I will check it. Now it's visible. See, I created one variable within the variable name is obj. Within the obj, like whenever we are creating an object now, the key name key value is mandatory. What is the key name now? Name is a key name, key value Murthy. Some key names is there, key value is there. So by using print statement, I'm going to print this one. So save that one. After that, you can run the document. How to run the document? Now open with live server extension to we can run that one. So run this one. Where we have to check that console now. Inspect, within the inspect only the console option will be there. Here only we have to check that one. So refresh on time. See, nothing will happen. Why? Why now? Because here there is no connection between the HTML file, JavaScript file. So the CSS file, we know right how to connect that one into external CSS. Same like we have to connect that JS file also. How to connect that file now? Within our script tag by using source src, one attribute will be there. Within that attribute, we need to pass that file name. What is the file name now? Task.js will be file name. Save that one. Just go and check it your output. Now it's working or not. So now it is working. Now we are getting that object here. Clear? So this is the way for we are using external JS file. We need to create one new file and then we need to link the file within our HTML document only by using source attribute. So now you know right, like you know right, what is the position, what is the length. So by using position too, we can get the specific data within our array. So that is the method. So by using length function too, we can check that array length. Now, so we have an object will be there. Within that object, we have to get some data, some particular data only we have to get now. So there also some method will be there. What are the methods will be there now? Dot notation, one method will be there. And then second one is a square bracket notation, one method will be there. So two methods will be there. Dot notation, square bracket notation. For example, my requirement is only I have to get this country data now. How to get the country data now? So by like here, two options will be there. One is a dot notation, square bracket notation. So any one method we can use it here. Any one method, your vision. So whenever we are using dot notation to, we are going to getting that country data. No? Not only country, whatever the object is there, within the object, whatever the data will be there, the particular data we are getting. So now by using dot notation, either square bracket notation. So for example, now console.log of where the object will be there. Now in this obj only the object will be there. So now which data we have to get? Now country data. So the particular key names only the particular key values will be there. Now we have to get that Indiana by using the calling key names to can get that key values. What is the where the India will be there now within our country key name. So in this key name only the key value as the India will be there. Save that one by using in between dot notation to we can call that key name to we can execute that key data. Save that file, just go and check it your output whether it is working or not. See now only we are getting that India. For example, we have to get that name data now. How to get the name data now? Console.log of. So where the data will be there, here only we have to get that name data. Now in this name key name only, the name key value will be there. Save that file, just go and check it. Now Murthy we are getting. Clear? After that, for example, now this is the way for we using the dot notation. So whenever we are using the square bracket, for example, we have to get that city data now. So console.log of where the data will be there obj. So square bracket notation now, like the key name we have to call within our codes, like city, the city data we have to get now. Dot, see the Bangalore data we get. So whenever we using the dot notation, no need to declare as a within the quotes the key name without the quotes. Whenever we using the square bracket notation, that time only we have to call that key name within the quotes. By using this square bracket notation also you can get the data. For example, remaining age will be there. How to get that one? Console.log of obj dot not dot square bracket which data age data. Say that one, just go and just check it your output. Now the age data also we are getting. Clear? So this is the way for we using on basic object. Guys, anyone having doubts? So this is the basic way for we declaring on object. So how to declare one object now? By using key name, key values to we can declare that object. And then how to get the data now? Two option will be there. One is the dot notation, and then second one is a square bracket notation. So the object is clear, right? Anyone having doubts in this object? And then next one, operators. Operators. So what is the operators now? So operators means operators are the symbols. Operators are the symbols. So to which is used to make some mathematical or logical operations. Clear? So operators means so operators are the symbols which is used to make some mathematical or logical operations. That is the operator. What are the operator will be there now? So we have four type of operators will be there majorly. What are the four type of operators is there now? So the first one is the arithmetic operator. First one is arithmetic operator. And then second one is a comparison operator. An operator. And then third one is logical operator. And then fourth one is ternary operator. So this operator, the fourth one is ternary operator. So now the first one is arithmetic operator. Now, so simply understand the arithmetic I mean the operators means operators are the symbols. By using symbols to we are making some mathematical or logical operations. So the first one is arithmetic operator. So what are the symbols will be there now in that arithmetic operator? Plus operator, minus operator, and then multiplication operator, division. Four type of operators will be in arithmetic operator. So by using these operators too, we can make some mathematical, I mean addition, division, multiplication, like that we can make it some mathematical operations here. How to do that one? For example, I'm going to create one variable. Let is a variable here. So A is a variable name. In this variable name, something 300 data will be there. So I'm going to create one more variable here. Let B is a variable name is equal to in this variable name, something 200 data will be there. So now I want to add these two values. How to add the two values? Now by using arithmetic operator, so we can add the values. So what are the symbols will be there now? So plus, minus, multiplication, division will be there. We can make it some mathematical operations here. For example, let is a variable keyword, C is a variable name. Here only I want to add the two values. What are the values we have to add now? A plus B value we have to add. In between the plus operator is there, and then which one we have to call now? C variable we have to call, that in that only the result will come. See, save that one, just go and check it our output now. Now the value will be added 300 plus 200 is equal to 500. Clear? This is the way for we are making addition. And then minus will be there. Say that one. So 200 by 300 minus 200. How much we are getting? Minus 100 value, like 100. See, we are getting the value 100. So my like 300 minus will 200, now we are getting the value 100. Clear? That is a minus. And then multiplication will be, for example, 20 into 30. The multiplication will be there. Now how much we are getting value? How much? I think 500 something. 600. So 600 value. This is a multiplication. And then finally division. So 20 divided by B. I think 0 0.5, 1.5. See the value. This is a division. So whatever the mathematical or something, we have to make add to values or minus multiplication, whatever the mathematically we need to make some operations now. By using arithmetic operators too, we can make it that one. And then the second one is a comparison operator. So what is a comparison operator? Now in this comparison operator, what are the symbols will be there? What are the symbols is there now? So the first symbol less than or equal to, and then greater than one symbol, greater than or is equal to, and then not equal to, and then double is equal to, and then triple is equal to. So this type of symbols will be there in comparison operator. So what are the symbols? Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, and then double is equal to, triple is equal to. So what is the thing now here, which is used to comparing the values? Compares to values. That is a comparison operator. So now I want to compare two values. Like let A is a variable name. In this A variable name, like 50 data will be there. Let B is a variable name. In this B variable name, something 7 B is equal to, in this variable name, something 40 data will be there. So now what is that conditional? Let is a variable keyword. C is a variable name. So A greater than B. This condition will be success or failure. A greater than B. This condition will be true or false. So the comparison operators outputs and all we are getting Boolean values. Boolean values. So now in between the greater than symbol will be there. So now the A value is 50, B value is 40, A greater than B. Now this value will be, this condition will be true or false. This value will be true only because A only greater than will be there, B only less than will be there. The condition also A greater than B only. So now we are not getting anything here. Why? We didn't call that one. C is a variable name. Say that one, just go and check it our output now. Now we are getting the value true here because A greater than B only is there. So B only less than A only greater than. So now, for example, A greater than or is equal to B. Which one we are getting now? Now also it comes as a true one. So any one condition greater than or is equal to. Now the value will be, for example, now the value will be both values are equal. So there is no any greater than, there is no any less than, right? So now the value will be, the condition will be A greater than or is equal to B. So now the value will be is equal to, now also we are getting as a true only. Clear? So this is the way for we using greater than is equal to. So when the value will be less than is there. So A less than B. Now this condition will be success or failure. So there is no equal to, right, because we declaring as a condition A less than B. So A is the not less than B. The value will be equaling. The value it comes as a equaling. There is no less than, right? So in that case, we are getting as a false value. So now, for example, 30 will be there. So now A less than B. A less than B. This condition will be success or failure. I mean true or false. Which one? Anyone let me know. Now A value 50, B value 30. Now this condition will be success or failure. A less than B. A value 50, B value 30. A less than B. Now this condition will be true or false. Anyone let me know. Anyone respond to me, guys? A value 50 is there. B value 30 is there. A less than B is a condition. Now this condition will be true or false. False one. Check it now. Now we're getting that value false. So now, for example, here 20 will be there. A less than B. Yeah. Now A only less than is there. B only greater than will be there. Now the value will be success. Now we are getting value true. So this is the way for we using less than or is equal to and then. So now in between not equal to will be there. not equal to is there. So A not equal to B. This condition will be success or failure only because A value different value, B value different value will be there. These both values are not equal to only. Now we are getting value as a true only. See, true only. And then when the values are equal now the values will be equal. So now we declare as a condition not equal to A not equal to B. The condition will be now this condition will be it comes as a false only because the values are equal only here. A also 20, B also 20 only. Now it comes as a false. And then one more thing here. So the main thing here, double is equal to triple is equal to. So what is the use of double is equal to? What is the use of triple is equal to now? So the main things here. So what is the use of double is equal to now? Which is used to compare to values only. That is a double is equal to. So what is the triple is equal to now? Which is used to compares to values and check the data type also. Clear. So the first one double is equal to means which is used to compare to values only. Triple is equal to means which is used to compare to values as well. Check the data type also. The both data type is same or not. Whenever we using triple is equal to double is equal to means it will not checking the data type on low. It will not checking the data type on all. So only it will checking the values, the both values same or not. So now let is a so simply understand whenever we using the double is equal to now only it will checking the values the both values will be same or not data type only it will checking the values. So whenever we using the triple is equal to now that time only it will checking the values as well data type also. I mean the both values are same, both data type are same, it will checking the data type as well values also. That is a triple is equal to. So now let is a variable keyword. A is a variable name here, like under data will be there. So let is a variable keyword. B is a variable name here to like uh, under data will be there. So now console.log of console.log of. Now I want to check that both things. Like let C is a variable name. So A double is equal to 100. So now I'm going to call that C variable. Save that one. So now this condition will be success or failure. Anyone let me know guys. So A value 100, B value 100. So let's C is equal to variable name. A double is equal to 100 data. I mean string data will be there. So now in between the double is equal to, what is the double is equal to? Which is used to comparing two values, right? So what is the triple is equal to, which is used to comparing two values and then check the data type also. So now it value will be, I mean now the condition will be success or fail. I mean true or false. Now the condition will be true or false, right? Monisha, Jisita, Kamala, Banu, Deepti. This condition will be true or false. True. Why now? Because the values not false ma, it comes as a true. See, whenever we using the double is equal to now, it will not checking the data type and all. See, so now the A data 100 will be there. Now we are assigned as a data also 100 only here, but this is the string data. Whenever in between the double is equal to is there now, it will not checking the data type and all. Only it will checking the values. The both values, both data is same or not. So now the data is same, but the data type only different. So it's not matter for double is equal to. Now save this one, just go and check it your output now. Now it comes as a true only. So only checking the data. The both data is same means it comes as a true only. So instead of double is equal to, we are using triple is equal. So now this condition will be success or fail. Now this condition will be success or failure. So A 100 we assign as a data also 100, but it as a string data. Now in between the triple is equal to will be there. So now this condition will be success or failure, true or false. Now false. Yeah, that's correct. So why now? Because whenever we using the data type, checking the data type as well. So now the data is same, A data 100, we assign the data also 100, but the data type is different. The A data type, number data type is there, we assign the data type, string data type. Now the data type different is there. Now the condition it comes as a failure. So now the value will be false. Hear that one? So now it comes as a false. So now the both values are same, both values are same, both data type also same now. Now it comes success or failure. Now it comes as a success. For example, here string data will be there. Now it comes as a false. So here also string data will be there. Save that one. Just go and check it. Now the data type, now also the data type also same. The data also same. Now it comes as a true only. So that is the thing, double is equal to triple is equal to. So whenever we using the double is equal to now, only it comparing two values. Whenever we using the triple is equal to now, it comparing two values as well, check the data type also. That is a thing. And then coming to the logical operator. So in logical operator, what are the symbols will be there? Not two type of symbols is there. Two type of symbols will be there. What is the two type of symbol is there? Now one is the AND operator, and then second one is the OR operator. OR operator. First one is the AND operator. So operator will be there, AND operator, OR operator. So what is the AND operator now? What is the AND operator now? When the both operators are true, then only the condition becomes true. And then, so R operator means any one operator is true, the condition becomes true one. See, now see the thing here. So whenever we using the AND operator now, we have two conditions. We have two condition will be there. In between the AND operator will be there. So in between the AND operator is there now. When the both condition will be true, when the both operators are true, then only the entire condition it comes true. Otherwise, any one condition will be failure, any one condition will be success. Now the entire condition it comes as a false value only. Clear? So whenever we using the AND operator means when the both operators are true, then only the condition becomes true. Either any one operator will be failure. Now the entire condition it comes as a failure only, false only. That is the AND operator. So R operator means R operator now we have two condition will be there here also in between the R operator will be there. So here any one operator will be success, any one operator will be false now. Any one operator is success, any one operator will be false. So any one operator is success now. Now the condition becomes success. Clear? When the operator will be when the both operators it comes as a success now, then only it comes true value, that is the AND operator. So any one operator is true, the condition becomes true only OR operator. That is the main. For example, now I'm going to create one variable. Let A is a variable name is equal to here like 400 data will be there. Let is a variable keyword, B is a variable name, here 300 data will be there, and then here let C is a variable name is equal to A triple is equal to 400. A triple is equal to 400. In between, AND operator is there. In between AND operator is there. B triple is equal to 300 data will be there. So and then console it here, console.log of Which one we have to call as C is a variable. See the condition here. A value 400, B value 300. So now A double is equal to 400 will be value. A value 400, we assigned as a value also 400. So B value 300 is there. We assign the value also 300. This is the string data. So now whenever we using that AND operator now, when the both operators are true, then only the condition becomes true. That is AND operator. So now this condition becomes true or false. Now this condition becomes true or false. Anyone tell me? True or false? False. So why now? Because any one operator will be false. Now the first operator will be success. Now the second operator will be false. Now the entire condition it comes as a false only. Say that one, just go and check it here. The false value everything. That is a and operator. See, for example, now now also it comes as a false because now also an operator will be failure. And then for example, now I'm going to make as a, so now it comes as a success. Now, so A double is equal to 400. Here also 400, here also 400 will be there. In between double is equal to is there not? Double is equal to means only it checking the values, the both values will be same or not. Now the first operator will be success. P triple is equal to 300. So here also 300 only is there. Now the both data is same, both data type also same. Now the second operator also it comes as a success. So now when these both operators are success, now it condition comes as a success only, true only. Now true only. Clear? That is a AND operator. For example, now I'm going to make as a string data. So now this condition will be success or failure, guys. Now just see here. So A double is equal to 400, B triple is equal to 300 will be. Now this condition will be success or failure. Now also it comes as a true only. Don't know what you guys doing. Okay. So this is the way for we using the AND operator. OR operator means any one operator will be failure. So now 300 will be there. So now the first operator will be success, the second operator will be failure. So any one operator will be success. Now the entire condition it comes as a success when the OR operator will be there in between. Say that one. Now success. The first operator will be true, second operator will be false. Now any one operator is success in this condition. The condition it comes as a success only. That is AND operator, that is OR operator. Finally, ternary operator. What is a ternary operator now? So which is used to make single line condition, which is make everything in single line condition true or false value. So which is make everything in single line condition, that is a true or false value. That is a ternary operator. For example, let A is equal to 20, let B is equal to 30 will be there. Now let C is a variable name, A greater than B. A greater than B question mark, C is a variable name, C here, A greater than B question mark, and then true or false. This is a single line condition. See, ternary operator indicates question mark and then true or, which is make everything in single line condition true or false. That is a ternary operator. Now we need to call that one console.log of. We need to call that one. So which one we have to call now? C is a variable. Now this condition will be success or failure. Now it comes as a success only, true only. Say that one. Sorry, false only. So A greater than B. Now A only less than is there, B only greater than is there. That's why we're having that error. For example, A less than B, now we are getting as a true. A less than B. Now B only greater than, less than only A is there. Now we are getting as a value false. That is a ternary operator, which is everything in making single line condition. That is a true or false value. And then conditions, one thing will be there. So what is the conditions now? So three type of conditions will be there in JavaScript. Conditions will be there in JavaScript. If condition, second one, else if condition, and then third one, else statement. The third one, there is no condition statement. So three type of conditions will be there. If condition, else if condition, else statement. Three things will be there. So what is the syntax of conditions? What is the syntax of conditions now? If will be keyword. So within the if condition, if keyword, we it should be write the condition here. The condition is mandatory. And then flower basis. Here any one statement will be there. Whatever the statement we want, we can print it. So and then second one, else if parenthesis. Here also one condition will be there. And then here also one statement is there. And then third one, there is no any conditions and all, only the statement will be there. This is the syntax of conditions. If, else, three type of conditions will be there. So the third one is a statement, this is not condition. So simply understand, if within the if, one condition will be there. Else if within the else if also one condition will be there, one statement is there. So now what is the thing now? When this if condition will be, here the condition is there. When this if condition will be success, now we are getting that if statement. After that, the code will be stopped here only. The code will be not moving. Why not? The first preference it will taking if condition. When this if condition will be success now we are getting that if statement. After that, the code will be not moving. Once the code will be failure, now the condition will be failure. If condition will be failure now, that time only the code will moving to the else if condition. Here also one condition will be there. Here also one statement will be there. So when this else if condition will be success, now we are getting else if statement. Otherwise, when this else if also false, if also false, if condition also failure, else if condition also failure. Now we are getting the default statement. Why now here there is no any condition, only the statement only is there. Now we are getting the default statement here. If so, for example, now the if condition also success, else if condition also success. Now the both conditions also success. Now which statement we are getting now? Only we are getting if statement. Why now? Because the first preference it will taking if condition. Once the if condition will be success now we are getting that if statement. After that the code will not moving. The code will be stopped there only. So when this condition will be false, if condition will be false, that time only the code will be moving to the else if condition. Here also one condition, one statement will be there. So when this else if condition will be success, now we are getting the else if statement. After that, the code will be stopped else if only. The code will be not moving to the else statement. So when this both condition will be false, that time only we are getting defaultly else statement here. Clear? So this is the thing of conditions. Now, for example, now see the thing like let is a variable keyword, a is a variable name is equal to here 100 will be there. So let is a keyword, b is a variable name, here 200 data will be there. So now I'm going to make as a if condition here. So within the if condition, now b b b double is equal to a. In between r operator and then b double is equal to 200. So now this condition will be success means we have to print one statement. Which statement? Now simply I'm going to print as a success. And then within the if else also one condition will be there. Else if also one condition will be there. Within the else if, so B double is equal to 400 will be data, and then and operator. So A less than B. One condition is there. Here also one condition will be there, flower basis. And then here I'm going to declare as the console.log of failure. Simply I'm going to declaring as a failure statement here. And then finally else. So here simply I'm going to print one statement console.log of which statement now. So default one statement. Save that one. See the thing here. A is the question. So in this if one condition will be there, what is that condition now? So B double is equal to A, the first operator. In between AND operator is there. B double is equal to 200 value will be there. So when this first condition will be success now, we are getting that first statement. The code will be stopped there only. So when this if condition will be false now, that time only the code will be moving to the else if condition. Here also one condition will be there. So here also B double is equal to 400 and operator A less than B, the second operator. So when this else if condition will be success now we are getting the else if statement as a failure. So now when this both condition will be false, defaultly we are getting only one statement, default statement. So now this condition becomes success or failure, guys. Anyone let me know. Now this condition it comes as a success or failure. Which statement we are getting, which condition will be success? I'm not going to show the output. Now I want to respond like if the condition will be success or failure. I want your response, guys. Now which condition will be success here? Which statement we are getting here? Guys, please respond to me immediately.
If statement, sir.
If so, that is correct. Who's that? Okay, that's good. See here, now we are getting that if statement. Why now? Who told if, if statement is success? Yeah. So if only it comes as a success here. See, now it comes success statement. Why now? Because so the first operator B double is equal to A. The first operator will be false here. In between AND operator will be there. So B double is equal to 200 is there. Only check the values. The both values will be same. So in between R operator will be there. Na? Any one operator is success in this both operator. Now the entire condition it comes success. So now the if condition becomes as a success means now we are getting that if statement. After that the code will be not moving here. Now we are getting that if statement. What is the statement? Success will be state. For example, instead of AND operator, now the instead of R operator, now the AND operator will be there. So now which statement we are getting, which condition we are getting, which condition is success, which statement we are getting success.
Else statement,
Yeah,
default value.
yeah. Else if condition now it comes as a success. Now we are getting that else if statement. Say that one just not else if. So default. So now why not?
Default
Because
value,
here,
else,
yeah, 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 yeah. So now B double is equal to 400 will be there. Why not? Here also the one operator will be failure. The first operator will be failure. Second operator will be success. So now when the operator will be failure, any one operator will be failure. Now the entire condition it comes as a failure. Now the first one also failure, second one also failure. Now we are getting as a default statement. There is no any statement. There is no any condition. Only the statement only we are getting the default statement. For example, instead of 400, now we're having as a 200 means what will happen? Now what will happen? Now we are getting the else if condition will be success. Now we are getting the statement failure. Yeah. So this is the way for we using the else if condition. Simply understand when this if condition will be success, now we are getting that if statement. Otherwise, when this if will be false, that time only the code will be moving to the else if condition. So in this else if also one condition will be there. So when this else if condition will be success, now we are getting that else if statement. Otherwise, when these both conditions will be failure, we are getting the else statement defaultly. So when these both conditions also success, that time also only we are getting that first one only because it will taking first preference. After that, the code will be not moving conditions. Clear? So anyone having doubts up to here? If you're having any doubts now, you can ask me now. So ternary operator not only return true or false, whatever we write in place. Yeah, it comes like that only because this is the basic examples only I'm explaining. So whenever we are going to discuss about that React JS, now that time I will explain every concept, each one, everything I will explain. Because without basic idea, we can't able to do anything in deep, right? Basic things is mandatory. Up to here, anyone having doubts? Okay, thank you. So today is enough. Tomorrow we can discuss about that loops. Today is enough. Up to conditions we completed. Tomorrow we can start to loops. So bye guys. Bye everyone.